never stopped.
And
even this morning, it was breezy.
You didn't get a lot of rain with the front that came through. And so that wind just whisked out any moisture that was in the air or in any vegetation, so dried out things even more. We could see the fires from space. We could see them from the radar, actually. The Doppler radar in Mobile picked up a plume. We forget which one it was, but one of these, it was just so intense. And you can see the smoke. And one thing you can also see just by looking at this, and think about, this is 22,000 miles away that the satellite is looking down. So from a visible perspective, you could see the smoke and get a good sense of how strong the winds are and also what direction those winds are coming from the north. So that's a dry air, that's a cooler air mass, and that came in and just blasted all the way through this area. So very, very dry conditions. Not the type of conditions where you should do any kind of burning outside. That could obviously lead to a fire developing and growing and spreading very rapidly. Today, we're going to watch that dry air spread. It's already gotten into central Florida. It gets down into South Florida. Relative humidities will be dropping off. Dew points will be dropping off. Saw some dew points yesterday up there in the Florida Panhandle, at times down into the 30s. That is extremely dry air, and we're going to get dry air like that. Maybe not quite as dry, but it's coming all the way down across central and southern Florida with that north wind. Winds are going to pick up. 30, 35-mile-per-hour winds are possible in South Florida this afternoon. Even this morning, look, the forecast for Melbourne, 25 to 30 by before lunchtime, and really picking up, though, into the afternoon. Miami will feel it 30 to 35 miles per hour. So with those strong gusty winds and with that dry air in place, there is a fire danger. Red flag warnings are up all across South Florida and the east coast of Florida, too, including Daytona Beach, down to Vero Beach, and inland because of the dry air and the wind. Jim.
So think of the satellite.